Once known for its gold found in its river, Sonanadi Wildlife Sanctuary is the heart of Kalagat Tiger Reserve. Sonanadi Zone was the only zone of corbett that I hadn't visited earlier. Hence, just before the zone was scheduled to be closed for monsoon, I planned my trip to this wildlife heaven.
They are climbing up.
Come, let me take you to a virtual safari with me to this lesser known zone of corbett.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So we are starting the vlog from the Vatanvasa gate, which is part of Corbett Tiger Reserve and arguably the most beautiful zone of Corbett, and definitely one of the most untouched zone of Corbett. And this is the first time I'm coming here, so I'm really excited. Even if the tiger sighting is less, it is actually a very good zone for birding. So you get to see broadbills, then hooded pitta. So these two are going to be my target birds for sure. So let's see how the safari goes. So we are starting the safari. I have Shiwang with me. So fingers crossed. We are definitely going to try for tiger, and the driver is saying that the elephant movement is very good. So you'll probably encounter few elephants as well. So yeah, let's see. I'm very much excited since this is the first time I'm entering this particular forest.
If you want to book your safari in this zone, you can contact the number given in the description below.
So the driver told that there was sighting in the morning. That means there is movement. Now it's all about luck, I guess.
तो बोला जाता है कि इसको सोना नदी इसलिए बोलते हैं कि पहले ना एक अंदर नदी हुआ करती है, सोना नदी।
अच्छा।
तो ब्रिटिशर्स टाइम पे ना वो ब्रिटिशर्स क्या करते थे, उस पर जैसे छानते थे उसको एंड उससे सोना निकलता था।
अच्छा।
जैसे अभी भी कुछ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में है, तो इसलिए इसका नाम सोना नदी रखा था।
राइट।
तो अभी भी लाइक बहुत चांसेस हो सकता है उसमें, बट पहले ऐसा होता था, उससे निकालते थे।
बढ़िया।
एंड एक और जैसे कॉर्बेट का पूरा एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात है जो बहुत कम लोगों को पता है। तो जो यहाँ पे FRH होता है ना कॉर्बेट में, तो वो हर FRH 9 से लेके 11 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे होता है।
अच्छा, क्यों ऐसा क्यों?
तो ऐसे बोलते हैं कि जब ब्रिटिशर्स थे ना, तो वो 9 से 11 किलोमीटर चला करते थे।
अच्छा।
तो वहाँ पे वो स्टे करते थे एंड ओवर द टाइम उन्होंने वहाँ पे स्टे ऑप्शन बना दिया। तो आप कहीं भी पूरे कॉर्बेट में जाओगे ना, तो 9 से लेके 11 किलोमीटर के बीच में आपको एक FRH मिलेगा। तो यहाँ से यारा जो मुंडिया पानी है, जहाँ पे हम लोग गए थे, मुंडिया पानी से हल्दू पड़ाव 11 का पड़ता है डिस्टेंस। अच्छा। बाई रोड। अच्छा। मतलब उस समय तो बाई वॉक होता था, अभी रोड का थोड़ा डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा होगा। बट फिर वैसे ही आप अगर ढिकाला की बात करोगे तो ढिकाला से खिनानौली और इनका जो वहाँ पे के FRH सारे ना, उनका डिफरेंस यही है ना। पूरे कॉर्बेट में सीन ऐसा ही है, सारे हाँ ये रहता है इनका।
As we were moving forward, suddenly I noticed a hanging nest, and it was not hard to guess which bird made that nest. As we waited at the nesting location for a while, the bright green long-tailed broadbill appeared in front of us. As we were maintaining enough distance, and since there were no other jeeps around, the helmet bird became very comfortable with our presence and started preening itself. After our encounter with the broadbill, we started moving further. We kept hearing and seeing paradise flycatchers everywhere. However, due to moving jeep, we couldn't click any. The moment we stop our jeep, they would just fly off.
We decided to wait at this particular point. So this is one of the crossing point of the tigers, and this is where Shiwang had a sighting as well. Actually, he saw 2 tigers here. So this is the place. Beautiful habitat. So we'll spend some time here. We'll let the other jeep pass and we'll wait here.
While waiting at that spot where the tigers cross frequently, we found a beautiful Asian brown flycatcher, a very cute looking little fellow. As there was no sign of any tiger movement or alarm calls, we decided to move forward. And as we moved to the beautiful riverbed, the landscape of the forest felt unreal. I felt I should have visited Sonanadi earlier and shouldn't have waited this long, since I have made literally hundreds of trips around Corbett. Sonanadi should have been on the list. As we started heading towards the famous Haldupadao Forest Rest House through a beautiful Jamun forest patch, we noticed a jeep in front of us. The jeep was inspecting something on the ground. As we went closer, we figured it's an injured owlet.
There is an injured owl.
कपड़े से पकड़ना, हाथ पे लगेगा नहीं तो। लो चाचा, हाँ इससे पकड़ो, वो नहीं तो हाथ में खून निकाल देगा।
खून तो नहीं निकालेगा।
निकाल दे चाचा, उसके नेल से ना बड़े वास होता है। ना
बर्ड है ना? हाँ, एक बार वो थोड़ा उसका बॉडी दिखाना।
आराम से।
हाँ, बर्ड आउटलेट है।
अरे इसका
जुवेनाइल ही है। He's holding the rescued owl. We are taking it to the refuge. And this is the landscape.
करके गया तो कौन सी बोर्ड?
After reaching the Haldupadao Forest Rest House, we met the forest officer and we treated the owl. The owlet had a severe injury at its back, possibly from a raptor or a crow attack.
So yeah, we are not going to waste too much time here now. We'll complete the rest of the safari and let's see what all wildlife we can spot today.
As we resumed our safari and crossed the river, we noticed a big group of elephants with two tuskers in it, and then suddenly we heard a mild growl of a tiger, which unfortunately my camera couldn't pick up. However, the presence of the tiger was later confirmed as the tusker charged towards the forest without any reason
massive Tusker.
and remained alert for a while. We decided to change our position to potentially try to get the glimpse of the tiger. However, we couldn't spot it. But we decided to film the beautiful elephants instead.
Here are the elephants. आराम आराम से चलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. अब तो कोई टेंशन नहीं है. मैं तो कहता हूँ रोक लो, एक फ़ोटो भी ले लेता हूँ. बस मैं फ़ोटो ले लेता हूँ, रुको.
I have had heard that elephant sighting is almost guaranteed in Sonanadi zone. But after coming here, I feel the habitat and terrain of this zone makes it indeed one of the best places to spot the gentle giants. If you enjoy elephants as much as I do, you will surely love this zone. Once the elephants left, we also started moving towards the grassland area. Grasslands are simply my favorite habitat to be at, especially before the sunset.
So we are about to enter the grassland, and this is the final hour of our safari, and this is the most precious time to track the big cats. Though we heard a growl and could not see it, but that doesn't mean that our chances are over for the day. Till the time we have time left in this safari, there are chances. So let's see. The grassland is visible from here now.
Right after entering the grassland, we found 3 more elephants walking gracefully among tall grass. Then we noticed a massive tusker is also peacefully drinking water and crossing the beautiful river. Such a beautiful sight it was that it surely made my day. Though little did I knew that my encounter with the elephants was far from over. After filming the tusker, we started heading back as our safari time was up.
So just before exit, we came across another elephant. So it's climbing up. I hope that it doesn't charge any jeep. Oh, the whole group is there. रुक जाओ, संभाल के. They are climbing up. चलो चलो चलो, रुकना नहीं. They gave some.
What are the odds ये उसी ग्रुप के हो?
हाँ?
What are the odds ये उसके ग्रुप के हो? ये वो इनको ही बुला रही हो? क्योंकि ये जादू.
I doubt. चलो.
चलो चलो.
हाँ.
अभी.
So yeah, we are going to end the vlog here. If you have enjoyed this video, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll be coming back with more videos like this. Until then, bye.